Have you ever had to explain why your answer was right? Today's word helps us back up our ideas. Welcome to Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is justify. Can you say it with me? Justify. Let's spell it together. Justify. That spells justify. Justify means to show or prove that something is right. Here are some words that mean the same as justify. Say them with me. Defend, like standing up for a friend who did the right thing. Prove, like showing your math work to get the correct answer. Explain, like telling why you were late to class. Excuse, like giving a reason for forgetting your homework. Validate, like showing a ticket to prove you belong at the movie. Each one shows how justify means giving reasons to support something. Now let's look at the opposites of justify. Deny, like saying, I didn't do it. Refuse, like not giving any explanation at all. Oppose, like standing against someone's reason. Doubt, like not believing the explanation. Question, like asking if the reason is really true. That's the opposite of justifying. Here's a great example. Sofia justified her answer in math by showing all the steps she used. Here's what we know now. Justify means to show or prove that something is right. Synonyms: defend, prove, explain, excuse, validate. Antonyms: deny, refuse, oppose, doubt, question. Justifying your ideas shows that your opinions have thoughtful reasons behind them. Justify your choice, pick a snack, game, or color, and explain why it's the best. Fantastic! You justified your answer with clear reasons. Keep backing up your answers, explorers. See you tomorrow for Word Up with Sophia! Exclamation mark.